Kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Sky blue color, purple color, orange color, black color, yellow color, green color, brown color, light green color, light pink color, green color, red color, and blue color. So kids, now you draw A.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
A for apple.
Next time, won't you sing with
B
me?
for ball. C for cat.
A, B, C,
D
D,
for
E,
dog.
F, G, H, I, J,
E for
K, L,
elephant.
M, N, O, P, Q, R,
F for
S,
fish.
T, U, V, W,
G for
X,
goat.
Y,
So now you
and
draw
Z.
H.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't
H
you
for
sing
helicopter.
with me?
I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. Okay, so now you draw O. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. I for nose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. Okay, so now you draw V.
Now I know my ABCs.
V for
Next time,
van.
won't you sing with
W
me?
for whale. X for telephone.
A, B,
Y
C,
for
D,
yo-yo.
E, F, G,
And Z
H,
for
I,
zebra.
J, K, L,
Thank you so
M,
much
N,
for
O, P,
watching.
Q,
Subscribe to our
R,
channel. See you
S,
soon. Bye bye.
T, U,